What's up, everybody? 4 and 3 Bros, back for another video. Tyler, what are we doing today?
Today we are going to be deleting the charcoal canister out of the car as we don't need it anymore. It's old. We're going to do it step by step and show you all the tools that's needed.
Also, tomorrow, stay tuned. We're going to be deleting the AC system in this car because it's convertible. Why the hell do you need AC? Alright guys, just a quick thing. We just got ourselves a new camera and we're figuring out the settings and everything and all the new LED shop lights. And bear with us. This video and the next video is going to have a little bit of flickering and a little bit of funk to it, but we're working it out and we're trying to just grind through it and figure it all out.
So here we go. First things first, we got to take the hoses off of the top of the canister. So this one just has a little clip. Just pinch it, and it's old, so it's not going to come off easy. There we go. So that's one hose off. There's a little clip back here just to take it off of the bracket. There we go. So that's one part off. This other one pops right off. Now this is the sensor for the evap charcoal system. We're going to be deleting that right out. There's no need for it since we're going to be taking the canister out. So for this canister to come out, it's this easy. You pull it right up. That's it. Nothing too difficult about it. The hard part is getting to the hose at the bottom. There we go. It's a solid 2 pounds, so if you're into weight reduction, easy. Jump. But now is the hard part. We have to delete this hose. Alright, so we need to delete this hose right here from the bottom of the canister and connect it to the port here from the top of the canister. Alright, so before we go connecting these hoses, what I'm going to do is, just so I have visual room, I'm going to get rid of these other lines. Sensor plug right here. There's a push button on the other side, and it's a little stuck, but there we go. I'm just going to zip tie this up and inside, get it out of the way. This hose runs all the way up and on top of the intake manifold. So this. Jesus. Jesus. I'm going to slice it right off. I'm deleting it anyway. There we go. So, there's two things we can do right now. You can cut a piece of this hose and connect it right back in. So you have a little loop connecting both. Or, little known fact, not many people know this, but Mazda must have known we were going to delete this in the future. Follow me. Right here, there's these bolts on the tail lights. They threw covers on them so it wouldn't cut the carpet and wouldn't hurt your hands. We're going to take that cap. Fits perfect over the pipe. And there you go. Now you have a closed loop system. Now that we have that, let's start to fix the hoses. I'm going to first finish taking off this sensor.
Should be using the proper size socket, Tyler.
I should, but I grabbed that because it was quick and on my pegboard. And it doesn't really matter. I mean, this is all broken and dry rotted anyway. I mean, it's old. What do you expect? Now, we're going to take this hose, we're going to connect it down here to finish that closed loop system. So I'm going to pull this hose off. That one slid right off. That was nice and easy. Right now, I'm going to pull this, what looks like electrical junction. I'm going to pull this off, get it out of my way so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Of course she's a 10 mil. Alright, I'm going to slide that thing out of the way. I'm going to tuck it up in here for now. I'm going to pull this hose off now. This has a clip on it. Alright. There we go.
Alright.
Pop right off. Now, what the plan is I'm probably going to cut this right about here so that it connects down and connects right in. It's the same size hosing, so what we'll do is we'll cut it right about there. That way it fits. I'm just using a utility knife, so I have it right there. Only thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take the clip, put it on the other side. As you saw, the hose didn't have it in the first place. I am going to put the clip on there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, put the back of my wrench in there quickly, just kind of ream it open a little bit, just so it slides on the pipe a little easier. Gonna get my WD-40, spray it in the hole, both sides, that way it slides on a little easier. Always do the hard side first. This side was already on a hose. It's gonna be easy. This side probably won't be.
So what are we connecting to? We're connecting to that side right there.
Mm-hmm. Oh man. Start. I gotta move the clip.
So you're putting that a little bit further back?
Yeah, just so I can get a hold of it better. Because the center isn't stretched out, it's not going to go on easy. I actually think I need to ream it out a little bit more. All I'm doing is I'm just stretching it so that it slides over a little bit better. That part of the hose wasn't stretched. These were. You can actually see the hole is a little bit bigger because it was stretched to go on. This side smaller. Small bat. There we go. And she is on. Alright, snap the other side right on. Like butter. And there you go. That's your closed loop system. There we go. She's on. Thankfully. Alright, so only thing left to do is take the bracket off since we don't need it anymore. So, 10mm socket.
Kinda crusty, huh?
A little bit. Just old, crusty. There we go. Engine bay has a little bit of room now.
All right, so just want a quick overview of what we have left. This is a shot of the final product, the closed loop system. That is the cap that we took out from the trunk. And we deleted the bracket. There was two 10mm bolts here. Deleted the plug system, just tucked the wires in for now. And this is the pile right here of what we have left. Tyler thinks it's about 2 or 3 pounds.
So, as you can see, we left a bunch more room in the engine bay. It's exactly what we're looking for our intake system.
See you in the next one, guys. What's up, everybody? 4 and 3 Bros, back for another video. Tyler, what are we doing today?
Today, we are going to be deleting... Jesus.